Hi, Eric Beard from Play Strong Athletics. Going to go over some progressions for rotational med ball work. Whether you're running or sprinting or you have a rotational sport like baseball or hockey or tennis and you really have to explode from the core and the hips, you need rotational power. I ease into these slowly with most people because they can't really separate the spine and the hips. So I'm going to put a medley of things together that might take me a couple of sessions or a few weeks or a month or two or longer to get through with someone to help them get the right part of their body moving, but they still can start to work on some rotational power. Endless variations, lots of ways to do it. As long as you're getting what you need and it feels good and you're learning good movement patterns, learn to rotate, learn to drive through the muddle or middle. I'm Eric Beard from Play Strong Athletics. Thanks for watching. Have a powerful day.